Hey guys, how's it going? Isaiah here at Sophos Survival, and in this video, I am going to show you what is in the NEBO individual first aid kit. Okay guys, so in the NEBO individual first aid kit, we designed it with a couple of things in mind. A lot of kits out there have a lot of stuff that you don't need and not enough of the stuff that you do need. So in this one, we kind of tried to reverse that, and we wanted to put more of the basic supplies that you need all the time and a lot of it, so that you don't just use it once and run out. And then there's not as much of the advanced stuff. And so what's cool about it though is that there is room to add things to it. So say you want to turn this individual kit into an advanced kit, you can always throw a tourniquet and some quick clot and a pressure bandage and things like that. But in this one, basically you've got all of the basics and a lot of it. So there's individual packets, and so in this one you'll see all of your gauze, and there's multiple different sizes and pieces of gauze. In this packet you've got some trauma shears, a couple of tapes and rolls, you've got a triangular bandage. In here you've got your emergency your emergency rescue blanket, some cotton swabs, eye wash, tweezers, gloves, some tongue depressors. This packet is all of your wipes, so you've got some sting and bite relief, povidone iodine, sterile alcohol, BZK, cleansing towelettes, things like that. In this packet you've got all your medications, so lots of allergen medications, Pepto-Bismol, ibuprofen, aspirin, stuff like that. And last little packet here is your bleeding blister kind of a packet. So you've got a couple pieces of pre-cut blister tape, some secure strips for wound closure in case you split an elbow open, and then a whole bunch of different band-aids, a couple different sizes. And we did it like this so that it's easy. Everything is easy to find, it's all organized, and then it's also easy to refill. So if you want a refill packet for any of these, you can also order those through the website, but it just keeps it simple. And that's one of the things, you're not having to dig through and find obscure first aid items in different pockets. It's all just super organized. So and it all comes in, oh, I missed one. And there's also a ointments packet. And that's got your burn gel and your hydrocortisone cream, triple antibiotic, sunscreen, lip balm, stuff like that. So it all comes in this little pouch, and it's got these MOLLE straps on it, and it makes it really easy to attach that to a different kit or just stuff inside an existing kit. So that's it. That's the NEBO individual first aid kit.